The Savanna, a vast, beautiful, golden kingdom, ruled by the ultimate predator.
A lion's roar is a claim of power, but the hyenas can smell his fear.
Forged in teamwork, driven by hunger, the pride will eat. The bloodline is secure. A final, desperate gamble. But the Savanna is unforgiving. A king's reign ends. In the Savanna, pride means nothing. Survival means everything. He loses the ultimate nightmare for a lion. The hunter has become the hunted. He is old, but he is a lion. He holds on despite the agony. He knows he the zebra's last desperate gamble to use the thorns to dislodge the predator.
The chase is on. The lioness must navigate the chaos, a minefield of deadly hooves. One wrong move.
In this land, a kill is a beacon, and the owners of this territory have arrived. A king, once the undisputed ruler of this land.
For a young male, exile is a death sentence. Kicked out of his pride, he has no family, no... His only chance. Not the strong, but the weak. A one-ton fortress of muscle and horn. She is the pride's best hunter, a master of ambush. Every step is calculated.
In the heart of the pride, a deep hunger.
This is the mega episode. This is the hunt.
For some, the end of a reign. For others, a family to feed. The prey is strong, the challenge immense, the rivals are ruthless.